Welcome to SAR Learning Center. In this video, we are going to see how to write an assembly language program to size the smallest data in an array. Here we are using 8086 microprocessor assembly language program. What is the concept of the finding the smallest number? First, we are going to take the array of data. Here we are going, in this example, I will take 6 data 1, data 2, data 3 and data 4, data 5 and data 6. This data, 6 data can be stored in this memory element. Okay, first we are going to take the first data into the AL register. First data into the AL register. Next, the second data can be taken into the move into the BL register. These 6 data is available in this memory element. First we are going to take data 1 in this AL register, data 2 is into the BL register. First we are going to compare this two AL comma BL registers value. What is going to happen here? If the carry is set, we are going to compare this two registers value. If the carry is set, then AL value is less. That means carry flag value is equal to 1. What is the meaning? AL value is less than the BL. Okay, now this AL register's value is retained the same particular register. Next the data 3 is moved into the BL register. Now we are going to compare AL and BL. Now AL register value greater than the BL. What is going to happen? Now this BL register's value is the smallest one. This time what is going to happen? This carry flag value is equal to 0. The carry flag value is equal to 0. What is going to happen? That time the AL register's value is the smallest value. That's why this BL register's value is the smallest value. That's why this BL value is moved into the AL. This move into the AL. BL is moved into the AL memory location. Now this AL memory location is stored in the data of data 3. Okay, like that we are going to perform the comparison operation and checking the carry flag value. If depends upon the carry flag value, we are going to find the smallest number. This smallest number can be stored in this AL register. Finally, that smallest value can be moved into the particular memory location. How to get the data? Here first we are going to initiate the number of data we are going to process. In this example, we are going to process 6 data. In this example, we are going to take the 6 data. Okay, in the 6 data is an array size. This is the array size. This value is first moved into the CL register. This value is first moved into the CL register. This is a count register. That's why the 06 value is moved into the CL register. The CL register's value is decremented by 1. That time that value becomes 5. Why we are going to decrement it by 1? Here we are going to perform the 5 comparison. That's why this 06 value is decremented by 1. That value becomes 5. This is the example of this is the concept of the finding the smallest number in an array. Now we are going to explain the program. This is our program. What is the first step? Move si comma 1100h. What is the meaning? The 1100 is the set. This is the SI mean is the source index register as a pointer for the array. This is the 1100h is the memory location. 1100 is the memory location. In this memory location, we are going to load our data. What is in the system? Move di comma 1200h. This is the designation index register. This is the point out the external memory location of storing the result. Okay, this is the designation index register. We are going to store the result. Next, what is the date? What is the next step? Next step, move CL comma SI. This SI register value, this SI memory location is containing the value of. Okay, this is the counter value. CL is the count for elements. Count for the element. This element's value is moved into the CL register. Initially that value becomes 06. In this example we are going to take the 6 data. That's why the CL value initially value becomes 06. Next we are going to increment the SI. Hereafter we are going to load our data. Okay, the first data is present in 1101 memory location. This data is moved into the AL register. What is the next step? Next step, we are going to decrement the CL. Why we are going to decrement the CL register? The CL register is used to performing the comparison operation, counting of the comparison operation. If the comparison operation value becomes 0, that means the CL value becomes 0. This is the final step. Okay, each and every comparison, this decrement operation can be performed. Okay, what is the next step? This next step is increment of the SI. This increment of the SI, we are going to take the second data to the BL register. That's why move BL comma SI. This SI value 1102. This is the second data is moved into the AL. What is the next step? We are going to compare AL comma BL. In this comparison, we are going to compare the two values, two byte values are present in this AL and BL register. The greatest value. Okay, what is the meaning? If AL register's value becomes less, what is going to happen? If the AL register value is less, that time the carry flag is set. If the carry flag is set. If the carry flag is not set, what is going to happen? That time BL register's value is the smallest value. This AL register is always storing the smallest value. That's why now we are going to compare these two values. If the BL register's value becomes less, what is going to happen? Now the BL register's value is moved into the AL register, because of AL register is storing the smallest number only. Okay, what is the next step? Again we are going to decrement the CL register. Okay, now we are going to check jump not equal to 0. That means we are going to check the CL register's value. If the CL register's value is not equal to 0, this process will be continue until the CL value becomes 0. Finally, the JNZ, that means the CL register's value becomes 0. What is going to happen? This AL register can store in this smallest number. The smallest number value is moved into the particular memory location. This memory location address is the 1200H. 1200H. This value is present in this designation intact. Now we are going to emulate our program. We are going to emulate this program. After that, we are going to store our data. We are going to store our data. Where is our data? This is the random access memory. What is the memory addresses? 1100. This is our memory location. In this memory location, we are going to store our data. The data becomes, the first one is we are going to get the 6. The array size is 6. After that, we are going to load our first data into 1101 memory location. The first data is 4E. What is the second data? The second data is 2D. What is the third data? Third data is 30. What is the fourth one? 98 and AC. What is the next one? Next one is FE. From the 6 data, which one is the smallest number? From the 6 data, the 2D is the smallest number. Now we are going to execute this program step by step and finding the smallest number. That means the 2D value can be stored in this 1200 memory location. Okay, clear? Now we are going to execute step by step. Okay, the single step execution. First, 1100 memory location value is moved into the SI register. Okay, this SI register's value become 1100. This is source index. What is the next step? 1200 value is moved into the DI register. Where is the DI register? This is the designation index register. 1200. What is the next step? The SI register value. That means 1100 memory location is containing the value of the array size. This array size value is moved into the CL register. Where is the CL register? This is the CL register. The single step. This value becomes 06. Now we are going to increment of the SI register value. This SI register value become 1101. Okay, 1101. Now this 1101 value is moved into the AL register. That value becomes 4E. That means 1101 memory locations contain the value of 4E is into the AL register. Next we are going to decrement of the CL register value is decremented by 1. That value becomes 05. Now increment of the SI register. The SI register value now is 1102. Okay, then the 1102 memory location contain the value of 2D. This 2D value is moved into the BX register. This is the BX register. Now we are going to check the Now we are going to compare the AL comma BL. In this AL comma BL, which one is the smallest number? The 2D is the smallest number. Okay. Now we are going to show the flags. Okay, these are the flags: carry flag, zero flag, and sign flag, also like that. Okay, now we are going to compare. If BL register's value becomes less and AL register value becomes greater, what is going to happen? Look at here. Now we are going to execute compare operation. That time what is going to happen? The carry flag value is not set. Look at here, CF is equal to 0. The carry flag value is not set. That's why the BL register's value is moved into the AL. Clear? The carry flag value is not set because of we are using the JC command. JC command, jump carry. If the carry is set, we are going to jump into the particular memory locations. Otherwise, we are move BL value into AL. Now the BL value is 2D. This value is moved into the AL because of the AL register can store the smallest number in this program. Okay, now it is updated into 2D. Next, we are going to decrement the CL register's value. Now the value becomes 4. Now we are going to check the CL register's value 0 or not. This is not equal to 0. That's why again the step is continuous. We are going to take the next data. The next data value is moving into the BL register. Now we are going to compare with this AX. Now the BL value becomes greater and AL value becomes less. What is going to happen? Okay, now the carry flag value becomes 1. This carry flag value becomes 1. If the carry flag value becomes set, what is going to happen? Now directly is jump into the decrement of the CL value. Decrement of the CL value. Like that, we are going to perform this comparison operation and finding the smallest number. The smallest number can be stored in this AL register's value until the CL register's value becomes 0. This comparison operation can be take place. Finally, if the CL register's value becomes 0, what is going to happen? The AL register is containing the smallest value. The smallest value is moved into the designation index register. This designation index register's value is 1200. This 1200 is the memory location. This memory location, okay, our result can be moved into the particular memory location 1200. This is our memory location. Look at here, this is the 1000. Now we are, okay, 1200 memory location. The result is 2D. The result is 2D. This is the smallest number. This is the smallest number. Okay. Thank you.